Number 5 is the HP LaserJet Pro M454 Laser Printer. The HP LaserJet Pro M454 Laser Printer is an optimistic and productive way to accomplish your transfer paper tasks quickly and efficiently. With its two-sided automatic document feeder, 250-sheet input tray, and fast first page out time, this printer is designed to streamline your printing experience. With print speeds of up to 28 pages per minute, both in black and white in color, it is the perfect choice for high-quality transfer paper printing. The printer incorporates innovative energy-saving features, resulting in a remarkable 11% reduction in energy consumption compared to previous models. Not only does this contribute to a lower carbon footprint, but it also emphasizes convenience and accessibility. With its built-in Ethernet connection capabilities, the printer enables seamless access, printing, and resource sharing across multiple connected devices. Print your documents effortlessly with the best laser printer for transfer paper, which offers various sheet sizes like 4x6, 5x8, 3x5, 8.5x14, and 8.5x11 inches. This printer is designed to fit seamlessly on any desk or table, measuring 16.2 inches in height, 11.6 inches in width, and 18.5 inches in depth. It weighs only 34 ounces and strikes the perfect balance between functionality and portability, ensuring it won't occupy excessive space or hinder mobility. So, to buy this wireless laser printer, check out the link mentioned in the description box below. After reviewing each of the 5 best laser printers for transfer paper, you now have a clear idea of which one you should go for. With their top-notch features, you can now enjoy peace of mind knowing that your prints will always be printed perfectly and quickly. Hope you have found this video to be valuable and informative. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For the latest updates and more such videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.